Here we are with Ocean Eyes, which is a really cool song, by the way. It's got some repetition in it. So if you start learning the beginning parts, you'll see that they'll come back again. So let's start at the very beginning with these four Ahs at the beginning of the song. Put your pinky on E, D, B. That's where we're going to start. E, D, and B. That's how this party gets started. Here come your four Ahs. One, two, three, and. Did you catch that last ah? It's a little different. You have B, D, G. Okay? So this time I'm going to do those four ahs and roll right into the very first verse of the song. One, two, from the top with the ahs. Last ah. I've been watching you. I've been watching you. Burning cities and so we're getting ready to start with the no fair. No fair, put this finger on D and this finger on B. Because that no fair, it's opening up. And then we close it up with this E and G. So here's no fair. No fair has a cool little symbol there. I want you to pay attention to this Dalsignia symbol. We're going to come back to it a little bit later. So I want you to use it as a point of reference. That means we're going to come back to this spot. Here's no fair. D and B. Then we're going to close that up with this E and G. One, two, three. No fair. No fair. One, two, three. I'm scared. All right, okay. We're gonna move on. Here we go with the no fair. Top of page 2, kind of, sort of, at this Dalsignia symbol. Here we go. One, two, three. No fair. I'm scared. We're at the top of page 3 now. All right, we made it to the top of page 3, second line where we see this symbol that looks like a bullseye. That symbol right. See that? Looks like a target, some sort of bullseye. That is our coda sign. We're going to start with the second verse of the song now. So We get ready to start with the I've been walking through it. Whatever those words are. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Careful creature may. Back to no fair. We've been given some instructions at the top of page 4. It says DS, don't know if you can see that, but it says DS al coda at the top of page 4. So we're going to DS al coda. That means go there. Back on page 2. This is where the no fair comes back. 1, 2, 3. I'm scared. We're at the top of page 3 now. Goes ocean. Now we have the coda symbol. Oh, new symbol. Well, the same symbol we talked about before. So this symbol here, that coda, means we're going to go and find the same symbol again. Look on page 4. There it is. That is our target. This is our destination. We have arrived. So we're almost at the very end of the song. We're getting ready to do the section on page 4. This mini section repeats. Notice these bar lines here. Start there, end there, do it again. Okay? 1, 2, starts on C3. Here we go. Repeat that section. 3, 4. Now we're at the bottom of page 4. No fair. Turn the page. We're at the top of page 5. You've made it to the end of the song. Congratulations.